Okay, so to do the oil change for this 2011 Jeep Liberty 3.7, you have to remove this bolt right here. That's number 13, but you can see here the other guys who tried to who do the oil change before, they damaged the drain plug. So to remove that bolt right there, I use this bolt extractor. Is number 13 to remove that bolt right there. So okay, so just use number 13 bolt and just let it drain for like 5 minutes. And in this side, as you can see, is the filter right there. Here is the whole one. I just remove it. So to remove that one, you have to get your hand inside here, and you can reach the oil filter from this point right here, right there. So we're gonna tie this oil filter just with the hand tight, and just let it drain for 5 minutes, and just put the drain plug back, and you're ready to go. So if you have any questions, just you can text me in comments below, and I'm be happy to answer all your questions. So this one it takes around 6 quarts of oil, and that's it, guys. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.